is. Where does it come from? Food. Food. Where does it come from? And what are the subtopics in this lesson? What are the subtopics in this lesson? The first subtopic is ingredients. What is the first subtopic? Ingredients. And second one, sources of food. Sources of food. And third one, different edible parts in plants. Different edible parts in plants. And finally, types of animals. These are the topics we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, children? Is it clear, everyone? Are you ready to learn?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
all. Thank you very much. Okay, right. So, one thing I want to say you all. So, when I ask some questions, while I ask some questions, to whom I ask, they have to respond. They have to respond. Others, please mute yourself. Okay? Thank you very much. So, children, for Sanjana, so are you observing the pictures, Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think? What do you think in your mind?
Burger.
What do you think in your mind?
Sir, please repeat it again.
What do you think? If see, you are seeing some pictures, right? Right? There are some pictures. So if you observe the pictures, what do you think in your mind? What is there in your mind?
Saliva.
Yeah, your mouth is watering, right? Your mouth is watering. Right. Thank you, Sanjana.
Yes.
Next, Anjali. Anjali. Right.
Hello, sir.
So, how many of you, sorry, do you like to eat these all food items? Do you like to eat?
No.
Yeah. Do you like to eat these all food items?
No, sir.
Okay. Which type of food do you like to eat? Which type of food do you like to eat?
Idli, biryani.
Okay. Okay. Very good. And
Excuse me,
okay.
sir.
Yes, Nana.
Sir, you are recording the section, right?
Yes. Yes.
This recording section sent to Darshit Sai.
Why?
I think called me. And there is network problem.
Okay. Well, it's okay. Fine. So, children, Sahiti, Sahiti, do
Yes, sir.
everyone see if it is something special, we like to eat those items, right? If something special, so we like to eat that type of food items, right? So,
Yes, sir.
how many of you like to cook food? How many of you like to cook food at your home? How many of you?
To eat. I like members. I like to.
Very good.
I like. Good morning, sir.
I like to cook
All
food.
members like, sir.
Yes. So same. I like to cook food. So I think it is very delicious to me, right? Okay. So everyone like to eat food, and some of the members like to cook food. For example,
Sir, I like to cook food.
Sonakshi, I think you prepared aloo
I
curry
like
or
to
something?
eat and I.
Yeah.
What, sir?
I think you prepared one dish, right, at home?
Yes, sir.
Which food item did you prepare?
I prepared
Which
egg
dish
curry.
egg curry. So, what are the things need to prepare egg curry? What are the things need to prepare egg curry?
I forgot.
Oh, okay. So, any other? What to prepare egg curry? What are the
Sir.
things we need?
Sir, may I?
You can.
Sir, may I?
Sanjana, you
Egg.
can. Anyone can. You can. Eggs. Very good.
Oil,
Oil.
tomatoes, onions,
Tomatoes. Onions. And any other? Salt. Uh, Salt. Mirchi powder.
masala.
Spices. Very good. Very good. Okay. These are the things we need to prepare egg curry, right? So, see. First one is what are ingredients? What are ingredients? Any of the foods or substances are combined to make particular dish. So what is mean by dish here? Dish is nothing but food item. Okay, any food item, right? So any of the foods or substances that are combined to make particular dish. See here, observe the children here. So to make egg curry, we need number of things, right? We need some of the things, some of the substances, right? So what are those? Egg, oil, onion, mirchi powder, salt, huh? Coriander leaves. So these all are the substances we need to prepare. We need to prepare egg curry. So these all substances are called. These all substances are called ingredients. Ingredients. Did you get my point? What are ingredients? Any of the foods, food items or substances that are combined to make a particular dish. So if we combine these all things, then we can able to make egg curry. Is it right? So these food items are called ingredients. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any of the
Yes.
foods or substances that are combined to make a particular dish. So to make any curry, so we need to combine some substances, right? Salt, mirchi powder, oil, onion, mirchi, vegetables. Huh? So we need to combine these all substances, right? So these
That are called
substances are
ingredients.
called ingredients. These substances are called ingredients. Mix all of the ingredients together to make food. Mix all of the ingredients together to make dish. Is it clear? See here. Okay, I want to ask question to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, are you there? Aishwarya. Okay.
Sir, Aishwarya is joining and going from the class.
Okay, no problem. I think there is a network issue. Okay. And any Sripada? Sripada, are you there? Sripada.
Sir, she's my
Sir, her
friend.
name is Sripada.
Sripada. Okay, Sripada, are you there? I think she won't. Okay, Mahalakshmi. Sripada, are you there? Okay. So, what are the ingredients need to prepare tomato curry? What are the ingredients need to prepare tomato curry?
Tomato,
Ah,
onions,
very good.
oil,
Oil,
salt,
salt,
mirchi powder,
mirchi powder, very good.
etc. These
Etc.
ingredients
Okay.
are
Yeah,
used.
garlic ginger paste, right? So these are the ingredients need to prepare tomato curry, right? Thank you, Sripada. Next, Mahalakshmi.
Sir, I want.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the ingredients need to prepare paneer curry? Do you like to eat paneer curry?
Yes, sir.
I don't eat paneer curry.
Okay, then I will ask to others. Who is Raju? Raju?
The big
Ankita.
Raju? Ankita. I think Ankita like to eat
Sir.
paneer curry, right? Ah,
Yes,
so what are the ingredients need to prepare paneer curry?
Paneer,
Okay,
oil,
it's common. Oil,
masala,
masala,
mirchi powder, salt,
okay.
coriander leaves, that etc.
etc. Okay, right. So these are the ingredients we need to prepare paneer curry, right? So any dish to prepare, we need some of the ingredients, right? So those are the substances when we combine. So we need to make it is we can make a dish, right? So those substances are called ingredients. Substances that are combined to make a particular dish, either tomato curry, either paneer curry, either chicken, either mutton, or biryani, anything. So to prepare any dish, so we need to combine some substances, and those substances are called ingredients. Those substances are called ingredients. Okay. And how many of you like to eat biryani? How many of
Sir,
you
I
like
like
to
to
eat
eat.
biryani?
Sir, I like to eat.
Very good, very good. So everyone like to eat biryani, right? Okay. Mm, okay. Jashwant, what are the ingredients need to prepare biryani?
Okay, rice, basmati
Okay.
rice. Basmati rice and
Okay.
uh, what we call that
Okay.
biryani leaf and water.
Okay.
Mm, that we will keep lavangal,
Spices like cardamom. Yes.
spices and
Like okay. So we need spices.
aloo,
So these are the ingredients we need
aloo,
to
tomato,
prepare
etc.
biryani, right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, Jashwant. So children, did you understand what are ingredients? Any of the foods or substances that are combined to make a particular dish. So those substances are
Ingredient.
called ingredients. Mix all together. Okay, mix all of the ingredients together to make any dish. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so we are eating. Are we eating variety of food items, right? Are we eating or not? Different types of food items.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So variety of food items we are eating daily, right? So what are the sources of food? What are the sources of food? What are the main sources of food? What are the main
Plants,
sources of food?
plants and
Plants
animals.
and animals.
Right. So plants and animals are the main sources of food. So every food item we are getting from plants, either animals, right? Plants, either animals. So directly or indirectly, we depends on plants. Directly or indirectly, we depends on plants for
Plants.
food, right? So what are the main sources of food? Plants and animals. So we are getting this variety of food items from plants and animals. From plants and animals. Is it clear? These are the main sources of food items. Right, next. So I know some of the members know very well. So what are the things are we getting from plants? What are the food items are we getting from plants?
Leaves.
I just a minute.
Leaves.
Rameshwar Sanjeev,
Vegetables,
please
fruits,
answer the question.
pulses.
Okay, thank you.
For what?
What are the things are we getting from plants? What are the food items are we getting from plants?
Carrot,
Mm,
cauliflower,
okay,
brinjal, lady's finger,
very
fruits,
good, very good, very good,
vegetable, support,
very good,
sapota,
very good.
custard
Thank
apple.
you, very good. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you,
Uh,
sir.
next, so next question to Ritesh. So,
Sir,
what are food items are we getting from animals? What are the food items are we getting from animals?
place, meat, egg,
Okay, very good.
meat,
Yeah, okay.
milk
Thank
powder,
you, thank you. Okay, thank you, Ritesh. Kaushal, what are the things are we getting from animals?
chicken, mutton, milk,
Hmm.
Milk, chicken, mutton, and
Yeah.
that much only, sir. Wool.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
Where
you very
may I?
much.
Wool, silk.
See,
Ma'am.
just a minute, children. I will ask to everyone. Don't worry. Okay. I will ask to everyone. There are 13 to 14 slides are there. So I will give chance to everyone. Okay. So food from plants. What are the
Excuse
food
me,
items
sir.
are we getting from plants?
Excuse me, sir.
Right. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Someone joined by Jangam Vinay Kumar. He's
It's
joining
okay. It's
and
okay.
going.
See, you don't think about yes. Don't think about them. So focus on the lesson. Okay. Leave it there. Okay. Right. So what are the food items are we getting from plants? See here. Observe the pictures. Vegetables, fruits, spices, nuts, pulses, cereals. Right. These are all our food items we are getting from plants. Is it right? These are all food items. These are the food items we are getting from plants. What are those? Fruits, vegetables, right? Okay, just a minute.
Spices.
Dry fruits.
See here.
Dry fruits,
Fruits,
pulses.
vegetables, spices, cereals and pulses and nuts and etc. We are getting more than this, right? So these are the food items we are getting from plants.
Plants.
Next, so food from animals. What are the food items are we getting from animals? See here, seafood, right? So like fish, prawn, right? So what are the food items are we getting from animals, right? See, fish, seafood. What are mean by seafood? Which food are we getting from sea? Fishes, prawns, crabs, lobsters. These all are seafood. And next, eggs. So we are getting eggs from hens and ducks. And milks and milk products. Milk and milk products. So we are getting milk from buffaloes, cows, camel, goat, right? So milk product. What are the milk products? What are the milk products? What are milk products? Which
Cow.
products prepared
Buffalo.
by milk? Right. Which products prepared by
Buffalo.
milk? And so what are milk products? Which products prepared by milk like paneer, curd, hova,
Ghee.
ghee? So these are the milk products, right? So we are getting from animals. Yes, these are all materials we are getting from animals. See, chicken meat. So chicken, mutton, pork, right? So these are flesh. Yes, are we are getting from animals. Next, honey. Right, honey. So honey we are getting from animals like
Honeybees.
honeybees. Honeybees. Getting honey from
Hive.
honeybees.
Honeybees hive.
Honeycomb.
Honeybees.
Beehive from honeycomb, right? So these are the things. Not only these, there are many, but we are saying about some of the examples, right? So these are the food items we are getting from animals. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
so different edible
Yes, sir.
parts in plants. Different edible parts in plants. Children, plants are very useful to us, right? They are providing food items to us. Is it right? So plants are very useful. They are providing food items, right? Many food items, right? So to survive on the earth, we need food, right? To survive on the earth, we need food to get energy, right? So, so directly, indirectly, we are depend on plants for food. So different edible parts in plants. What is mean by edible? What is mean by edible? Can anybody? I wrote already here. What is mean eatable? Edible is nothing but eatable. Eatable ante tinevi. Parts, right? So what are the
What, sir?
edible is nothing but eatable. తినగలిగే పదార్థాలు eatable. Okay, so different edible parts in plants. Ante what are the parts can we eat? Okay, what are the parts can we eat from the plants, right? So see here, See, every part of the plant we can make as a food. Every part of the plant we can make as a food. Like take a flower. So we are eating flowers as a food. Can anybody see what are the examples? Can we eating food as a flowers?
Cauliflower.
Yes, very good. Cauliflower, broccoli. So these are the vegetables we are eating as a food items, right? We are
Tamarind
eating
flower.
flowers as a food item, right? Very good. And stem, stem is a part of the plant. What are the stems we are eating as a food? What are the?
Sugarcane.
Yeah, very good. Any other?
So. Radish.
Radish.
Carrot.
Carrot.
No, 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 no. No, no. Radish, carrots are roots.
Carrot. Cauliflower. Beetroot.
Cabbage
Sweet
is
potato.
leaf. Okay, okay.
Sweet
Children,
potato.
Beetroot.
okay.
Sweet
Do you
potato
like
and
to?
beetroot.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, children. Children, how many of you like to eat potato curry, potato fry, potato chips?
I like to eat potato
I like
fry.
to eat.
I like to.
Sir, I also like to eat.
I like to eat. Sir. I like to eat. Don't
Yeah.
like.
Thank you very much. So potato is the stem, okay? Potato is the stem of the plant. And one more thing, how many of you like to eat sugarcane or like to drink sugarcane juice?
I like to eat.
Sir, I want.
I like to eat.
I like.
Everyone likes to eat sugarcane and like to drink sugarcane juice, right? So sugarcane is the stem of the plant, okay? Sugarcane is the stem of the plant and leaf. So if you observe, there are leafy vegetables, number of leafy vegetables like coriander leaf, mint, huh? and spinach. See, these are the leaves we are eating as a food item, as a vegetable, right? We are eating as a vegetables and roots. So, what are the roots are we eating as a food? Radish, carrot, sweet potato. These are the food items we are eating as a food. So, these are the parts of the roots. Yes, these are the roots. Okay, radish, carrot, huh? Sweet potato are the roots which we are eating as a food. Okay, so every part of the plant is useful to us. Every part of the plant is useful to us. See, spices. So spices add flavor and taste to food items, right? Spices, do you know what are spices? So cardamom, cinnamon. So these are the spices, right? So spices add flavor and taste to food items, right? So these are the parts of the plants. These spices are every part of the plant, like flower, bark, and stem. Okay. So every part of the plant is useful to us as a food item. So different edible parts in plants we can eat as a food item. Is it clear, children? Or do you have any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubt,
Clear.
sir.
No
Clear?
doubts, sir.
Thank you.
No,
Thank you very
no,
much.
sir.
Thank you all. Okay, next. Okay, right. Do you know where honey comes from? How many of you
Beehive.
know?
Honeybees.
Yeah.
Honeybees.
From honeybees.
Flowers.
Beehive. Beehive.
Beehive.
Beehive.
Beehive.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Beehive.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much. So we are
Sir,
getting, yeah. Sorry. Sanjana, carry on. What do you want to say?
Sir, ask us any questions.
Yeah, definitely. So how many of you know, do you, where honey comes from? Where honey comes from? So you answered
Beehive.
already.
From
So honey
honeybee.
comes from honeycomb. Honey comes from honeycomb or beehive, right? So before that, what is the process is going on? So before the honey we are getting from honeycomb. So what is the
From
process is going
flower,
on?
we are getting honey.
Right. So honeybees collect the nectar. Nectar is nothing but a sweet substance which is present in the flower. Okay, nectar is nothing but a sweet substance which is present in the flower. Is it clear? Sweet substance which is present in the flower is called nectar. Children, is it clear? What is nectar?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
A
sir.
sweet substance
Yes, sir.
which
Clear.
is present in
Yes.
flower. Okay, thank you. So, honeybees. Bees collect the nectar from flowers. Bees collect the nectar from the flowers. So, to prepare 1 kg of honey, to prepare 1 kg of honey, they need to collect nectar from 2 million flowers. 2 million flowers. 2 millions means
Sir, can you repeat it again?
to prepare 1 kg of honey, honeybees need to collect the nectar from 2 million flowers. 2 millions and 20 lakhs. Is it right? So, to prepare 1 kg of honey, they need to collect the nectar from 20 lakhs flowers. Is it clear? So, to prepare 1 kg of honey,
Excuse.
yeah, yeah. Do you have any doubts?
On beehive there is yellow color, no? Means it's
So, that
closed.
is, yeah, yeah. That
Closed.
is the substances is called wax. Wax is a substance which is produced by bee's body, honey bee's body. Wax, wax అంటే మైనం అంటారు మనం తెలుగులో. Wax is a substance which is produced by honey bee's body. Okay. So, how honey bee
Sir,
prepare
what is
honey?
wax?
Wax అంటే వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ నాన్న బీహైవ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తుంది కదా బీహైవ్. So to prepare beehive, honeybee produce wax. Okay, honeybee produce wax. That is a one type of substance, right? So honeybee collect the nectar from flower. Okay, so they will collect nectar and pollen grains from flower, and they will store in beehive. Honeybee store that nectar in beehive. Okay, the nectar is a food item to the bee. Okay, nectar is a food item to the bee. So which is extra food, it is stored in a beehive. It is stored in a beehive. So after few days the nectar turns into honey. After few days or few months the nectar turns into honey, and that honey we are getting from honeycomb. That honey we are getting from honeycomb. Okay, is it clear? That nectar we are getting from honey.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
So that honey we are getting from honeycomb. And what are the uses of honey? What are the uses of
Yes, sir.
honey? You know, one is a fact about. So honey do not spoil up to 3,000 years. Honey do not a pure honey. Okay, a pure honey do not spoil up to 3,000 years. Do you know this? Okay, a pure
Yes, sir.
honey
I know that.
spoil
I
up
don't
to
know, sir.
3,000 years, and
Yes, sir.
honey
I
is
know.
used in a medicines. Okay, honey is used as a antiseptic in medicines. Okay, and we use like a sweetener. Manam sweet like a sugar, we use honey like, right? So honey is a antiseptic. Honey is used in medicines as an antiseptic and used as a sweetener. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much all. Next. Ooh. Children, try to observe the pictures carefully. Observe the pictures. Observe these pictures. Okay. So, what are these? Can you guess?
I think dry
What are
seeds.
these?
Beans.
Peasant
Okay,
Ah,
peasant.
yeah, yeah.
and
Yeah, that
spicy
one.
and
Yeah, yeah. Very good. So, those are moong dal, right? Moong dal.
Beans.
So, children,
Seeds.
are you able to see the white color structured?
yes,
There is a
sir.
structure.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
They are
sir.
white color. So what are those? What are those?
Just for beauty. Monica,
So what are those? Molakalu, right? Sprouts, right?
They're grown,
Sprouts,
sir.
molakalu.
Sir,
Yes.
by that we
So
can get
Volcano.
iron.
how many of you like to eat these? How many of you
Sir,
like
I
to eat
like
this?
to eat.
Sir, I like to eat.
Sir,
I
I
like
like
to
to
eat.
eat.
See, very good. Okay, very good, children. So these are the food items are very good for our health. These are the food items are very good for our health. Okay. So what are these? Sprouts. Sprouts. Okay. Small sprouts are nothing but small roots. Okay. Baby roots. Okay. Sprouts are nothing but a baby roots, small roots. Okay. So how to prepare these sprouts? How to prepare these sprouts? So take a small dry seeds. Okay. Take a small dry seeds like moon or chena. Okay. And put a small quantity in a container. Do you know what is container? What is container?
Yes, sir. A closed route is like
Yeah, it is a one type of
bowl.
bowl, right?
Yes.
So put a small quantity in a container and filled with water. Okay, filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Okay, we no need to church.
My
Okay,
mother
we need to
put
leave
in a
this
cloth
aside
and
for a day.
close.
Yes.
So next day,
In a
yes,
cloth.
next day, drain the water completely. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel and wrap them in a piece of wet cloth. తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? వాటర్ అన్ని తీసేసి ఒక వెట్ క్లాత్ లో కట్టేయాలి వాటిని. ఓకేనా? The following the day, do you observe? So they will go. This white color small structure come from the seed. Okay, white color small structures are come from the seeds, and so does anything change? It happens in the seed. Yeah. So a small
Yes.
white color structure come from the seeds. So those structure, a white color, a white structures may grow on out of the seed, right? So those structures are called sprouted. Okay. Those structures are called sprouts. Okay. మొలకెత్తిన విత్తనాలు. Is it clear, children? మొలకెత్తిన
Yes, sir.
విత్తనాలు.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So
Yes,
children,
sir.
some of the members. See, I like to eat
Yes,
directly,
sir. It's
like
clear.
sprouts. So those are very healthy. Yes, those are very healthy. And some of the members like to add salt, mirchi powder, and lemon.
Like my
So it is like a
father.
salad. It is like a salad, and it is very tasty also, right? So children, if you have a time at your home, try to prepare this, okay, and take a photo and send it to me. Okay, take a photo
Sir,
and
send
send
me
it to me.
morning.
Is it clear? And these are the very healthy food. Okay, these are the very healthy food. Okay, and sprouts. Okay, sprouts are nothing but a baby roots. So from the seeds, it become, if we sapling on the in a soil, so it become a plant. Okay, right. So did you understand what are sprouts?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much. And so,
Yes, sir.
right. According to, so
Yes,
now
sir.
we are going to learn about types of animals. Okay. Now we are going to learn about types of animals. Types of animals. So, according to food, animals which eat food. So, animals are divided into four types. According to animals which eat food. So, animals are divided into four types. Can anybody say what are those four types? Can anybody?
Domestic
What are those
animals,
four?
wild animals.
No, no, no. I asked according to food which eat animals.
Herbivorous,
Hmm.
Herbivorous,
Omnivorous.
scavengers, omnivorous.
Carnivores,
Okay,
scavengers.
very,
scavengers, and
very good.
omnivores.
Thank you very much, everyone. Okay, according to food, animals which eat food, so they are divided into four types. They are divided into four types. What are those? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. These are the four types divided according to the food which animal eat. Okay, so what are herbivores? What are herbivores? Animals which eat only plant and plant products are called herbivores. Animals which eat plant. So animals which eat only plant and plant products are called herbivores. So animals See, some of the animals eat only plants and plant products like goat, deer, cow, buffalo, zebra, elephant. So these are the animals eat only plant and plant products, and these are the animals are called herbivores. These are the animals are called herbivores. Is it clear? Or do you
Yes, sir.
have any
Yes, sir.
doubts here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
No,
good.
sir.
Very good. Thank you very much all. So animals which eat, oh, okay, which eat only plant and plant products are called herbivores. Next. So can anybody say what are carnivores? Can anybody? What
Sir,
are
may I
carnivores?
tell?
The animals which eat only
Which eat only?
Sir, that
Yeah.
animal.
Grass.
Sir, may I tell?
Which
Grass.
eat only flesh are called cat.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, all. Okay. We see here. Observe here. What are carnivores? Animals which eat flesh of other animals. Animals which eat flesh of other
Other
animals are
animals.
called carnivores. Animals which eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. See, there are number of carnivores, right? What are the famous carnivores? Tiger,
lion, bear,
lion,
Lion,
hippopotamus,
lion,
cheetah,
cheetah,
monkeys,
But
cheetah,
monkeys,
black
bear,
leopard.
yes.
fox,
Yes, these all
tiger.
are right. These all are carnivores, right? So, what are carnivores? Animals which eat flesh of other animals.
Other
Animals
animal.
which eat flesh of other animals are
Flesh
called
of other
carnivores.
animals.
Are called carnivores. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Go
Thank you
also.
very much.
Go.
Right. Next.
Yes, sir.
What are omnivores? What are omnivores? Animals
Which eat?
eat both
Cheetah.
plants and animals. Okay? Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Right? Crow, dog, pork, bear, hare. Okay, these all are animals which eat plants, products, and animals. Flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Is it clear, children? Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. They can eat both flesh of other animals and plant products like us,
Say
human beings. So most of the human beings
what?
are
Veg.
are
Veg
omnivores.
and
Some non-veg, right? So we are omnivores. Okay, we are omnivores. Is it clear? And finally, scavengers. So what are scavengers? Can anybody? What are scavengers?
Which eat only the plants.
No, 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 no. So animals which eat
which
only plants, those are herbivores. Animals which eat
which eat
only,
dead bodies.
dead animals.
right, very good. Animals
Dead
which
animals.
eat dead and
Dead
decaying animals.
animals.
Animals which eat dead and
Vulture,
decaying
eagle.
animals. Children, please mute yourself, everyone. Okay, thank you. Okay, animals which eat dead and డెకేయింగ్ యానిమల్ అంటే చనిపోయిన లేదా కుళ్ళిపోయిన జంతువులని. ఓకేనా? చనిపోయిన లేదా కుళ్ళిపోయిన జంతువులని. ఓకేనా? లైక్ వల్చర్, హైనాస్. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద scavengers. What are scavengers? Animals which eat dead and decaying animals. Animals which eat dead and decaying animals. Those animals are called scavengers. Those animals are called scavengers.
Scavengers.
Okay, okay, children. This is the lesson for the. This is about first lesson. Children, did you understand or do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Don't hesitate. Okay, feel free
No
to
doubt,
ask.
sir.
Is it